Welcome back to Good Old RVing. My name's Greg, and I'm going to be tearing apart this microwave. I got asked, how do you change a light bulb in a microwave? And I figured since I'm going to get rid of it, and I ordered a new one already, let's take it apart, find out what happened. So this is what this video is going to be about. So hope you enjoy it, hope you get something out of it, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, so I went and dug out my tools. This is actually the socket set right here. It's a Mac company tool set and variety of sizes. This is actually the one that I used right here, and as you can see, let's flip that baby over. Okay, so security bit set. You're looking for a name. So I'm just going to finish sticking these out right here. And so I'm doing this because somebody mentioned, I went back to try to find out who it was exactly, but somebody was asking, how do I change the light bulb? And honestly, I don't know. I've never taken a microwave apart before. And so I wasn't able to answer that, but she was talking about a convection microwave, and this isn't one of those. And so I told her maybe it's a little different. But since this is broken, I'm getting rid of it. I figure, what the heck? I'll take it apart and let's find out what's inside. So let's see if I could pop that off now that the screws are loose. There we go. Yeah. This is a double lip, so I got me confused. So I'll just put that back in there. Bring that back in there a little. Okay. So I put this aside. Okay, so my problem is right behind this. And this, my friend, is the part that makes the microwave what it is. So all the electronics are on this side, it looks like. So let's see. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so we got this wire, yellow, it's plugged on here, and she doesn't want to come off. So, luckily I got some more tools sitting here. There's yellow. Here's green. Okay. And this looks like just two grounds. Let's see what we got here. I got a new one on the way because I'm going to tear this up. It just feels that way. Okay, now I got a shield here that needs to come off. Should. Okay. Here's the shield. Right here. Okay. And I got this baby. I guess what I'm taking off here is you can tell I'm just so fragile. This is the part that was shorting out. It was the actual microwave itself. The actual power. What's this even called? This is called. So this was the part that was shorting out right inside that hole. It was shocking out, and you can see all the burn marks in there from where it was popping against the wall. Crazy, huh? Yeah, so then it started going pop, pop, pop. Okay, so it actually failed on me. Okay, so as far as lights go, I mean, the fan works, and there's something else over here. Danger, high voltage again, discharge capacitor. Okay, so that's a capacitor for it. And this over here, there's a fuse on it, so in case yours stops working, it might just be a burnt out fuse. Of course, mine's okay as far as that goes. It's what, 600 watts, a 15 amp fuse, 7 to 1000 is a 20 amp fuse. I think that's what that said. Okay, light bulbs. I don't know where you're gonna find a light bulb. Now that I got all that put back together and the shield back on, now for safety, so nobody else will try to use it, I'm going to take the plug off, and it looks like the white over here, the black over there, then the green's to ground. And so I'll just pop all of those off, pop this out like so, right here, and no cord, no operation. I guess the capacitor, the magnetron, and the HV capacitor are the three main components that I see. So just out of curiosity, I'm going to look up this part right here and see if I can get it on the internet and how much it would be versus a brand new microwave. So, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. We got this. We got this. And we got this. And this is the bulb. It doesn't come apart. So, this one's good, so I'm just going to put it back in. And like I said, I'm just taking the power off because it starts shorting out. I don't want nobody else to get hurt by trying it. So This is the only safety precaution I could take for other people. Okay, let's see. How do I get that out? There we go. Okay. Out. Now, I can take my tool, put everything back together. Okay, so we got. So now it's time to put the cover back on. Now, I can put this back like that. Put these screws back in it. Yeah, before I forget, don't forget to subscribe so you could enter the free giveaway. Alright, that's going to be coming up. I'll be adding a few more details and videos to come pertaining to the giveaway. So, hope you enjoy this video so far. And I'll be finishing up with the light bulb and about right now. Okay. Okay, all done. Put this thing in the line there. And we have the screw right here. And the screw goes into this hole. Boom. And that goes like that. This goes down. This goes over here. This one goes over here. Boom. There you go. That would be like just replacing the light bulb right there. To do it, you got to take the microwave out. You got to have the special tools to take the cover off, and then Phillips screwdriver. That's all you need. And I use needle-nose pliers because my fingers are big. Okay, that's what we got. So it turns out that the lights are available on Amazon, but the Magnetron is not. And so this is good old RVing signing out, and hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to sign up, subscribe, so you can be part of the contest. And leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you much, and safe travels.